Are you struggling to write the perfect methodology for your research paper or thesis? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's session, we'll walk through 5 essential steps to help you write a clear, structured, and highly effective methodology section that can impress your supervisors, reviewers, and examiners. The methodology section is one of the most important parts of your research paper or thesis. It explains how you conducted your study and why you chose specific methods. Most importantly, it must be detailed enough for other researchers to replicate your work, ensuring credibility and transparency. This video is crafted and presented by Ghulam Farooque, Additional Director of Artificial Intelligence, Research, and Postgraduate Affairs at the Asian Institute of Medical Sciences, Pakistan. He is also a fellow in artificial intelligence at the University of Bath, UK, and holds multiple international certifications in AI, research, and education. Let's move to our topic. Let's dive into 5 essential steps for writing an effective methodology. Step 1. Introduce your research approach, white heavy checkmark. Purpose. Explain the overall strategy and approach you use to conduct the research. When writing this part, make sure to clarify whether your study follows a qualitative, quantitative, or mixed methods approach. Explain why you selected this approach and how it aligns with your overall research objectives. Example, this study adopts a quantitative research approach to analyze patterns in AI-based forensic pathology reports. A quantitative design was chosen to ensure objective measurement of parameters and statistical validation of findings. Starting with your research approach sets the foundation for everything that follows. Step 2. Describe your data collection methods bar chart. Purpose. Clearly explain how and where you collected your data. Here, you need to describe your sources of data, whether it's surveys, experiments, interviews, medical records, or existing data sets. Mention your sampling techniques, the tools and instruments you used, and the time frame and location of your data collection. Example, data was collected from 200 digital autopsy reports using AI-powered image segmentation techniques. A stratified sampling method was applied to ensure representation across different age groups and causes of death. A well-documented data collection process strengthens the validity of your research. Step 3. Explain your data analysis process, magnifying glass still to left. Purpose. Describe how you process and analyze the collected data. This section is about turning raw data into meaningful results. Specify the software and tools you used, such as SPSS, Python, R, or MATLAB. Explain the statistical methods or AI models you applied, and describe any coding schemes if your research involves qualitative analysis. Finally, highlight the steps taken to ensure accuracy and validity. Example, the collected data was analyzed using Python-based machine learning models to detect suspicious death patterns. Statistical validation was performed through ANOVA and Pearson correlation tests to ensure reliability. A clear explanation of your analysis builds trust in your findings. Step 4. Justify your methodological choices directed. Purpose. Provide a logical explanation for why you selected these specific methods over other alternatives. Here's your chance to defend your decisions. Discuss why your chosen methodology is most suitable for your research objectives, highlight its advantages, and acknowledge any limitations. If your study involves human participants or sensitive data, don't forget to briefly address ethical considerations. Example, AI-based diagnostic models were chosen due to their high sensitivity in detecting anomalies in forensic imaging compared to conventional manual analysis. This ensures faster and more accurate identification of suspicious death cases. This section shows that your choices were intentional and well thought out. Step 5. Address validity, reliability, and limitations puzzle piece. Purpose. Show how you ensure the accuracy, consistency, and integrity of your results. Finally, discuss the measures you took to reduce bias and errors. Explain how you ensured the reproducibility of your findings, and acknowledge the limitations of your methodology. This demonstrates transparency and strengthens the credibility of your work. Example, to ensure validity and reliability, the AI models were trained and tested on separate datasets. However, the study acknowledges a limitation that smaller sample sizes may reduce generalizability. Acknowledging limitations does not weaken your research. It actually makes it more authentic. Final tips for a strong methodology section. Write in a clear, logical, and sequential manner. Use past tense, since the study has already been conducted. Avoid unnecessary jargon. Explain complex techniques in simple language. And finally, support your choices with strong references wherever possible. So, there you have it. The 5 essential steps to writing a strong, effective, and well-structured methodology section. Follow these guidelines, and you'll be able to craft a methodology that not only explains your research process, but also impresses your supervisors and examiners. Thank you for listening. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more academic tips.